I am going to be seeing the energy update for your career. Where is your career headed? What is happening? What should you be doing? In depth reading about challenges, opportunities, and complete guidance about your work life, your professional life. Hi, my name is Nidisha, and if this video helps you and if you really take your career seriously, then don't forget to watch till the end and subscribe this channel for more such videos. I also do personal readings, customized reading for your life and all situations. The link of that is in the description below to book the slot. Now let's get started with your career. First, I'm going to see the energy update. What is it in your career currently that is going on? Where is your career headed? And then every detail around that. What is going on? What's the energy update? Please help me see the energy update, universe. Wow. I do see the energy update is getting much. So, what I see as, the energy is there is a desperate need for a change. You are wanting to now look forward for something new in life and you're very motivated about it. You're very ready for it. For you've been contemplating for a while that should I take that? Should I not take that? Should I, take that risk? Should I take that decision? Should I go forward with this? Next phase, and there's a lot of change card that has come up. You've been waiting for some change and you've been thinking, you've been analyzing some change in every possible way. You've also been taking help of some people to understand what is better for you, what is good for you, and what is right for you. And these people, you are surrounded with right resources right now, is what I see. You have everything that it takes for you to take that chance. I do see the energy update looks very clean and, in fact, very, very sort of satisfactory. What I mean by that is that you literally have good people around you right now, and you literally have resources that will actually help you. It's like there is some opportunity around the corner and you just have to say yes. There is this door almost opened up and you just have to walk inside that door. It is this near. You're this near to taking that big decision and taking that risk to take that change or also start something new. A lot of you, I see, you want to start something new, possibly a new business, a small business, or you want to start something with somebody in your career, and you're thinking whether should I go for partnership, should I not go for partnership. So those in business who are in partnership, really your partner is going to be very helpful to you and is going to help you take this business to the next level. And those who are surrounded with people at workplace, your colleagues and all of that, they really want the best in you. They are going to be your support system. There's somebody new that would come up at workplace or in your career life that would really help you. The energies are so strong. It's like literally everything is working in your favor. You're just there. It's like, when you're climbing stairs and you want to climb like 10 stairs, 10 floors, and you're just on the ninth, and it's one more mile away, one more kilometer away as well to reach there. You will receive some new yes from somebody, a new mail, a new appraisal, a new update. The energies are so strong that I see. And trust me, you need to claim this. This is coming true. You need to, if you feel this, if you are also having this intuition that there's something really good going to happen with me and now there's nothing bad that can happen to me in my career, then trust me, claim this energy in the comment. Right, I claim this energy. You will also see, you did not expect, you were like, I'll just settle. You wanted to settle with whatever you have around you, but suddenly somebody will come up and give you that offer or give you that news that no, dude, don't settle. No, you don't have to settle. And that's when exactly you will realize that I've been like 6 months of crying and 4 months of struggling and all of that. You'll be like, this was worth it. That wait was worth it. Now, those who are in academics or you have some examination coming up or some results coming up or some admission process coming up, you will get the admission in the desired university or at least in the desired city. And I do see a lot of travel energy for a lot of you, literally a lot of you. Around the month of October, August, September, like a little bit end of the year, last quarter of the year, is when you will see completely everything changing. Your surrounding, people, work, career, city, your thought process, the way you've been, you will have all the confidence it takes to make it happen. So even if you know very little about a particular situation in your life, maybe you're not that knowledgeable about it or you don't have that experience, you will still end up getting that job or you will still end up getting that appraisal which you've been wanting, because people are seeing that trust in you, that faith in you. You are very good at convincing, impressing somebody. You are very good in, showing up. You're very hardworking. You're very talented, and you know how to get things done. You know how to make people believe in you, and your thoughts have completely changed. You've had such a big realization in your life, and now you're moving towards that good phase of your life in your career. And you will also see, for a lot of you, you will see that you will start spending more and living your life more. You will stop criticizing. So even if you know that there are some people who are really, very, very irritating and very, literally, they try to suck the blood out of you and they literally try to eat you up with their energy. And you will still be like, you know what, I don't care. You'll become so immune to things. And because of this attitude of confidence, becoming immune, having right resources, and not settling for less, you will see that change which you've been waiting for. The confusion that you've been will go away. It's like the automatically the door itself will open up, right? So the question of confusion will only get closed. You will not need anybody else right now in your life. Your career itself, you're going to be so busy itself in your career that the other drama of your life or the other worries of your life or the other problems of your life will automatically go away. So it's like, when you have a good career or when you're very happy in your career, who cares about something else? That is what your attitude is going to be like. And you're going to literally enjoy also. Some very challenging work is going to come your way. Something where you will see your creativity is tested and you're able to do what you've not been able to do. You'll be able to experiment a lot of things as well. Along with all these good things, I also want to see if there is some challenge or red flag that is going to come your way, because opportunities I see in abundance, I see overflowing. But let me see if there's something you need to be careful about as well, so that you don't end up falling into a wrong trap. What is it you need to be careful of? The red flag or the challenges that I see is, you would want perfection in everything. You would want that, everything has to look beautiful, perfect. I should be superior. I am the only one. There cannot be better. I cannot make mistakes. How did I make mistakes? I am the best. A little, your pride will little bit boost up. And that is also happening because, suddenly you've got for the longest of the time, you've not got any shift in your career or any push in your career or any good luck in your career. And then when you suddenly start getting all of it, you don't know how to handle that. You are like, I am taking all the responsibility. I will finish it. You don't have to do me. You don't teach me. You're taking work of others also. That is not your work. So if you're in business, you're doing the work of your employees also. You're doing the work of, something that can be where you can hire somebody and pay them also. If you're in your career, as in your job, you're like, I will do everything. Everybody has to, look at me. Everybody has to get motivated from me. You want to be that icon. You want to be like the cherry on the cake, which is good, but don't overwork yourself. Don't try to do things which you don't have to do and you can delegate, Don't take you have, when you're working, there's a team. Everything works with a teamwork. You have to talk to people. You have to take other people's advice and opinion also. You have to take other people's criticism also. You have to see everybody's convenience. But you're like, I will just see my convenience. I know, I am much experienced. You are. But sometimes you have to include everybody so that everybody feels home and everybody feels, one with each other. So just make sure that you don't make anybody feel that they are not good enough or, it's like don't take the fruits of somebody else as well. And make sure that you don't overspend your money. There are chances that suddenly so much money will come to you and the stuck up money will be in your way that you'll be like, I have not enjoyed life for the longest of the time, so now only I'll enjoy everything. No, be a little controlled, be a little planned in terms of money, and take work or commit until the extent you can. Otherwise, health wise, you will see a little upsetness if you don't take care of your physical or mental, body because of overworking. So all the tensions are going, which is a good thing. Things are unfolding in a real nice way. Stuck up energy is no more stuck up. Things that you've been praying and manifesting for. If you've been waiting for something, really big also, some really meeting somebody really big, getting into a big company, getting some big recognition, getting like a huge shift in money, having people, social network around, being able to be a part of a team, being able to be a part of some gathering. This for people who have been in creative fields, who are at work, in their academics, in their college. If you don't have good friends, also good people, good friends will come your way who would help you grow in your career. So all in all, your career is really shifting for the best, and you will see this suddenly at the time when you've least expected that. So this energy is so powerful. This reading is so powerful. All the messages that I've been trying to channel have been just very, very much favorable to you. So take this very seriously. Also, the universe message, if you trust in universe, something that universe wants to give you as a career update for your life, as what is it that you need to know about your career. Wow. Universe is saying that you need to trust your intuitions right now. Pay little careful attention before taking any actions. A lot of insights you are going to get. A lot of things will click you. A lot of dots will connect in your career. That, oh, this incident went wrong. I was being stuck up there because of this thing, and now you will realize why things didn't work at one point. Why did you not get that growth, or why did you not get that hike, or why did you not get that job all this while when you were waiting for. Literally, this is a new beginning, and this beginning, and also this is the card of High Priestess, which says, your intuitions are literally going to work. Your energies, your vibrations, the cosmic is supporting you, and when the cosmic supports you, there's no looking back. And your intuitions, listen to that a little more deeply. If you trust something inside that you can become this or you can go there, then that is definitely coming your way. Channelize that through meditation, is what the card says. So yeah, if this video has helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment what is it next you want for your life. What is it that you're going through, which you want me to help you in your life for. Thank you.